Don't you know what they done, you know? The man, you know? The one, you know? Right now, me are
Chaddy TV.
Chaddy TV, and we say check him out for all of your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know. You see me?
And YouTube, you know. I mean, say YouTube, that show, and such show. Yo.
Yeah. Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
Ricky Chopper said that.
It's exploding right now!
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People who are going, I hope everybody good. You see me, so you see the title, you know what going. You see it? Right now, me I go review Alkaline new song. You see me? And the song is titled, people. The song is titled Never Lose Hope. You see me? And song is also produced by DJ Song is produced by DJ Frost. You see me? And people, that song is different. That song is show one different side Alkaline. But don't necessarily show say we never see that side here before. But that side that is like that song is just a reminder. Say yo, you know say Alkaline can do them song there. You know say Alkaline can ride on one drop beat. You know say Alkaline is very versatile. So it a remind some of the fans them where probably them forget and probably. You see me? You know that's something the way like them a pre-man and say yo true a be a dancehall song Alkaline I do from Wadi and stuff like that. It come like say them forgot say Alkaline but them way yeah. You see it? So right now we are gonna go in at the review. You see it? Nah long out the thing, nah length out the thing. Nah nothing like that. And people, if me sound like horse Jaja, I say it go, me just under the weather. Why if you under something still? You see me? Anyway, hear the song.
DJ First Records. Give thanks for a new day. A better tomorrow.
Keep on press. Push forward, never let the wicked get you down. Gotta make a step.
So, first of all, the message where the song I push off, I love it. You see me? Song is entitled Never Lose Hope. Remember, yo, enough time in a life you try out some stuff and it come like say, yo, you want to stop. You see me? Even Alkaline. Remember say a lot of bashing Alkaline get, you know. As a young youth we are forward up. People who remember Alkaline about 26 or something like so. Either 26 that year or 27 that year. Somewhere there about. But in boss when him like 21. You see me? So for a young 21-year-old, him bear a lot of pressure. And some men don't know if him consider them as mistake. But some things where people hold him against like way back in the days like four years ago and stuff like that. You know which argument me attack and stuff like that. It's like say yo people still hold it out. Remember say him a did you little you them time there. You see it? But what? Him a say never lose hope. Him could have put on dancehall music and say yo you know say me I get too much beating. Him could have say yo you know say me I get too much fight. Me just a go left it out. But what? Him say no, never lose hope. And people wanna take the title like and practice it in our everyday life. If you work towards something and you feel say it nah work out, never lose hope. We could go more in a song.
Time them we get caught up in the moment. So overwhelmed of the drive, but I don't know where I am going. So I hold my head and I cry, I don't want to. Tell myself, oh, I can't do. But remember, we must never lose hope.
Yo, the man a say, sometime him want drive, but like him never know where him a go. You see me? Yo, you ever reach a part in your life yet where it's like you know where you want to achieve in a life? You see me? And you feel like say you go about it in a right way, but then sometime when things don't add up, when you nah reach the objective them where you well want to reach, is like you just stop by and say and take one step back and say John no star where me really a go or where me really a do. But in a them time they yo like Alkaline I tell the people them say yo don't give up, Yo, and that's why I love that track, you know. Alright, pre the levels in my YouTube channel. You see me? Enough time, even know. Even like 5 minutes ago, people. You know, say I go so booms and record a video. Do everything. Me I do it from last night. But yo, sometimes we just tired out. I'm put on it last night and take it up back today when I come from work. I'm go so booms now. Everything tip top shape. Upload it. When I realize say half of the video now no audio. So now we have to go tear down back the video. We have to go edit it over back and upload it. You see me? But other song yeah, I keep me up right now. It has say never lose hope. So right now me still have the hope there. Say we are gonna read somewhere in the YouTube thing. A matter of fact, I know that I'm gonna read somewhere. You see me? If it's not in the YouTube thing, cause to me YouTube is like a hobby, a turn in a like a part-time job right now. You see me? But it Alkaline I tell you see me? If sometime you have a boss at work, you know say you gotta work every day. You see me? But you know the reason why you are gonna work, yeah. You are going to help the company as well. But you want the bread and butter there. You have a goal. You have one little shop where you want to set up and stuff like that. So you know, say you need to go work, to go bang the money there, go save the salary, something there. You see me? So, I just saw the thing set. And sometimes some of them boss say, yo, them never joke. Anyhow, Alkaline, never lose hope. Big up DJ Frost Panda one, because me I tell us that redeem you bad.
My purpose in a life. Open up your eyes, analyze and realize. Say you got your powers inside. Stand sturdy on the journey, can we live it and we learn it. The victory sweet when you know the battle was a furnace. Why? Light a fire and corruption make we burn it. Them can't stop where for you.
Alright, me I tell you a next thing about that song you me like. Yo, you see who do the harmony on the song, yeah? People, wanna listen to this song keenly. You see who do the background harmony on the song, yeah, yo? It's shot. It shot me no know. Me I try see if I can pick up a voice to see if it's a notable artist. Do the harmonies and the Alkaline do the harmonies. Cause it sound like a female to me still. But if you no feel like you no know who do the harmony in that song, yeah, yo, you just put it in the comment section below. You see me? And all and on. Yo, the song nice. Anybody don't like that song, I feel like say them already lose hope. And it's like the messenger, I forward back, I said don't lose hope, them vex. Because them don't lose hope already and them I say Alkaline should have dropped that song a long time. You see me, from when them a lose hope, but them can still read it and say never lose hope and catch on back on the hope something there. But no, right now them lose it, dash it away and everything. And most them people don't like that song. You see me, I love it. Play it more again.
The road rocky never says I'll sweet. Would I quit already if me halfway? You
alright, that line them have to stop it right there. So the man said the road rocky. You see me? He would have quit already. But him heart tell him say, oh no, he can't do it. Him can't do that something. Him can't do that quitting something there. He's a winner. You see me? And people, remember me tell you, just listen to that song, yeah. Me I go post the link in the description below. You see me? More on listen to that song, yeah. Meds that song, yeah. If you don't get it the first time, play it about 3 times. If like on the head part kind of toughish. You see me? But me know say the real subscriber them and the real viewers them once them listen it one time they will say, yo, a song here go on. If you're on the other side, me I tell you, I must bias I go bias to say that song here don't bad. You see me? Me love them motivational song. Any song we put out for motivate the youth them, a good song them. You see me? People, me love it. We could listen it one more time again. Alkaline, never lose hope. Big up yourself, DJ Frost.
You know last dark times I go pass. Never listen to them when them say you can't do it. Reminder it's good to be humble and it's good to be bold. Stay true to who you are because it's good for the soul. Them never really want to make it if truth to be done. But Jah have a plan for you. Aye, aye, aye.
Yeah, people, that is never lose hope. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, make me know what you think about the song. Make me know what you think about my review. As well, me say it's a good song. Me not say nothing what me not like about the song. The rhythm bad. You see me? And you don't know say Alkaline a flow upon it and there's something there. And the one thing we outstanding, as I say, are the melodies, the harmonies. Sorry, the harmonies in the song. Who harmonize the song? But you see me. Don't forget, check me out on Instagram. I don't remember if I say it already, but I say it again. At I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, my God.